Rumours of snow, maybe?
More than a rumour. Yeah, lots to squeeze into this forecast. We've got a deepening area of low pressure centred in the North Sea, and this cold front sinking southwards associated with it. Behind the front, air feeding all the way from the Arctic and the risk of snow overnight tonight. I'll talk about that in a moment, but as for this afternoon, a lot of cloud, but some brightness and sunshine. Some further outbreaks of showery rain. Bit chilly out there, highs of only around 7 or 8 degrees Celsius, and it will feel colder in a west to southwesterly wind which could gust 25 to 30 miles per hour. So this evening and tonight, well, we start off with a lot of cloud and some outbreaks of rain, but as bitterly cold air starts feeding in from the north, it's likely that some of this rain will turn to sleet and perhaps snow, and that could give a covering in places. And behind all of this, well, where we get any cloud breaks, temperatures could actually fall sub-zero. So the Met Office has issued a yellow warning for snow and ice, valid until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. We could have 1 to 2 centimetres of snow in places. That's most likely on the higher ground in our region. A lot of the snow we're not expecting to settle because it will be falling on relatively warm and wet ground. But there is the potential for a couple of centimetres in places and also some icy patches. Now, the front that brings us the wintry weather overnight tonight, it may develop a bit of a wave and so may not clear as quickly as this graphic is showing. So if it gets that wave, it may be that we get some sleet and snow lingering, especially in Essex. But for most of us, we are expecting things to become dry with some sunshine, but also some showers to feed down from the north, mainly into parts of Norfolk and Suffolk, although they may come a little further south and west. But these are likely to be wintry, possibly of snow, and they could again give some accumulations in places or a covering on the ground. And it will feel bitterly cold tomorrow with highs of only 4 or 5 degrees Celsius and that north to northwesterly wind. And then a huge question mark over Wednesday. How far north will that snow come? At the moment, it looks like most of us will avoid it, and it's looking a cold but dry day. Angie.